Mint! How's everybody doing? Welcome to Speedboat Maniac 410's channel. So listen, this is another part in my 87-part series on repairing this tailpipe from hell that's going to go on the boat probably in the next couple days. And we're going to give it a sea trial by the middle of this week. I can't do it in the next couple of days because I'm somewhat busy. But here's what we got, guys. We got the pipe hooked up like we did with the garden hose. You know, and here are the welds, okay? No, they are not the prettiest welds ever, okay? But they are completely functional, and that's what matters to me. So, you know, we're going to do this right here. We're back here, the old... We're going to pull it on, put it on about 1/8 of an inch like we've done before. If you guys are bored with all of this, I am equally bored, but this is the life of power boating. And why things take so long: money, time, and certainly patience. But I am doubly excited to show you, number one, that there are no leaks at all in this freshly repaired pipe that my buddy Big Jeff hooked us up with. Then, look at this. I am secondly excited about, remember I said, who knows what's going on in these elbows inside? You know, who knows what's going on inside these other welds, right? Well, we all know that what you can do is look inside here, and there's absolutely no water coming out from inside the pipe. Mint! Excited. So, no weeping. And I think we had like a little teeny hole here at first, meaning after Jeff welded it and I pressure tested it at his shop, and it was a little one like up here. Okay, now listen, that's about 5 or 10 pounds, right? Water's running out plenty like so, right? So, let's see what this does. Bam!
Tom, Christ, relax. What are you doing here? Taking us to God's, putting in the marina next door.
No shit.
Look at this baby, I caught right off the point here.
Let's see how that does for pressure. All right, she's gushing now out the tailpipe. All right. Look at that. Absolutely nothing coming from down inside the pipe. Mint! So that means the inner wall of this pipe, all of the water that's coming from the header and the manifold, from the water pump, the C pump, albeit it is only a single stage pump, now will make it completely out of the pipe. It's probably going to cause somewhat more pressure because now the pipe actually has to, you know, the water has to travel down the pipe farther. But remember, before, the exhaust cracks, all the exhaust was escaping out of the cracks and probably building pressure up in the secondary wall, in that lining, in the water jacket area, pushing exhaust back into the plumbing of the header and the water pump, possibly not letting that header cool. That's what we're hoping, and we're about ready to see. But here's the part that I'm really excited to show you guys. Okay? Absolutely no leaks, not even a drippy drip at all. Man, guys, look at that. Just goes to show you, you just take your time. And again, Jeff did an excellent job considering, you know, look at these welds these guys do from the factory, you know. It ain't perfect and it ain't pretty, but it's good enough and it ain't gonna leak. And we should know and have another baseline testing part of if this port motor is gonna blow those hoses off anymore. Well, that inboard hose off anymore. So I know you guys can't wait. I appreciate y'all's patience in dealing with all this. So again, thanks for coming along on my second part of the part 87 on the exhaust manifold and the pipe problem that we have, but we're just slowly chipping away at it. Guys, if you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up and click the like button. Comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for any new videos coming your way. Thanks for watching, and God bless.